We will take out the passenger front door handle of 2024 Toyota Corolla. First, we would have to take out the door panel. We'll start off taking out the cover behind the inner door handle. Here I'm using a plastic trim remover tool in order to push that cover out. Cover is out. Notice there is a screw behind the cover and we will use a Phillips screwdriver to take out that screw. Using the same trim remover tool, we will take out the inner door switch cover. We'll have to slide in the tool from right and left until the tabs are completely taken out. You can also use your hand to pull it out completely. Once the switch cover is pulled out, now we have to take out two plugs. One plug is white color and the other plug is black color. Both of them needs to be taken out. Both plugs are out. Using the same trim remover tool, we will take out a plastic cover which is in the middle of the door panel itself. It is a big plastic cover, so we have to slide in the tool one by one until the complete cover pops out. There we got the cover taken out. Notice behind the cover there is one screw and that needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. It is one of the longer screws. Don't feel tired while you're rotating your arm. Once the screw is out, the same screw is a little ahead on top that also needs to be taken out. Now we will slightly pull the door panel from the edges. Make sure you pull it from the edges where the brackets are attached. I'm pulling it to a point where I can put my arm and then I can just pull it out using my arm. Make sure you pull it from the speaker side as well. Notice the door panel is losing its grip. With a little more rock and roll upside, you would notice the door panel coming apart. There are two wirings behind, one is for the lock and one is for the handle. We'll take out the white one first. Followed by taking out the green one as well. With that, we have knocked out the door panel completely. Once the door panel is completely taken down, notice there is a plastic circle cover that needs to be taken out from the very edge of the door. I am using a trim remover tool in order to take down this cover. There's the cover taken out. Notice behind the cover there is a Torx screw. I'll be using a Torx 30 bit in order to take out that screw. Pay attention to this part as this screw does not come out completely and we open it till the very end but we don't take it out because it has covers at the top and at the bottom holding onto it. From the door panel side there is a big white plastic cover that needs to be taken out completely. It has three brackets on all over the edges. Make sure you turn those brackets one by one. Here I am using a door upholstery remover in order to pull this cover out. The tool will also be used in order to take out the smaller clips. And then slightly take out the complete white cover. Once the cover is out, notice the interior door handle side has a white plastic cover that needs to be pulled out. Then there is another bracket. Using a 90-degree flathead screwdriver, push the brackets from the bottom and the top in order to take out that bracket. So the bracket has tabs. You need to pull the tabs downwards from the bottom and upwards from the top in order to take out this bracket, and I will demonstrate it one more time so that you could see it properly. Push the bottom tab downwards and then push the upper tab upwards. That is how the bracket will end up losing its grip. Once the interior part is taken out, we will come back to the front, open the door handle, take out the plastic cover. Try taking out the door handle up until the very end. And notice there is one more plug that needs to be taken out. Once the plug is removed, now you can completely take out the door handle itself. And that was it. We ended up taking out the door handle completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.